Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Wyatt. Happy birthday to you. Emma, help him blow out the candle.
Can you blow? Blow.
Help.
Don't.
Ready? Yay!
Mom.
Yes, baby.
Eat it.
Did you help?
Eat it. Look.
Okay, well we're gonna. Oh, in your mouth. Okay.
Put me on the egg.
Everybody.
Oh, you want the whole thing?
Mama.
Happy birthday. You think he's sick?
I don't know.
I think we should stay home then. Otherwise he's gonna be a nightmare tomorrow, babe.
You got a little something on your nose.
Hey, we should push his little face in there. Wait, what's this?
No, cause we're all eating cake for breakfast.
Oh, I got you.
Hi, good morning everybody. It's Wyatt's birthday today, so we're all eating cake for breakfast this morning. Emma's waiting super impatiently over there. But I don't think anybody got any sleep besides Emma. I don't know if Wyatt's getting sick or what, but he was up all night last night. So, let's have some sugar to jumpstart our morning. But don't worry everybody, we are not completely unhealthy. We also have some blueberries. Are those yummy? Look how messy he is. Are those yummy? And he is, of course, sick. Huh? Are you sick? That's okay. Oh, look at that ginormous boogie. Oh. He's sick, so hopefully he'll feel a little bit better by tomorrow. Enjoy his birthday party, which I think he will regardless. If you're sick or not, yeah. Alright, I just picked up my ball. Good morning. And we are gonna go to Home Depot. They're doing like a cute little kids craft. The kids are gonna make some birdhouses. And we're stopping at Dunkin' Donuts. I really need some coffee. Well, my mom actually brought me coffee. I need some breakfast other than cake. So we're gonna go do that, and then we'll be on our way to Home Depot. Yay! Glasses. Oh my goodness. She got a little messy. But anyways, I need to go run back down to the car. We just got done and we just got home. And I need to run back down to the car to obviously get the other ones to her glasses. And to get the birdhouse. But that was so fun. It was really, really chaotic though. Especially with two kids, and Wyatt just wanted to crawl everywhere. But my mom ended up taking one of the birdhouses home so she could hang it up, and then we brought Emma's home. So let's see if we can find this lens. Good lord, this thing comes out all the time. So let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, there it is. Ew, it's all wet. That's disgusting. Alright, I'll just put that in my pocket. She is definitely getting new glasses soon, so it's not a huge deal. Wyatt's little rock in there. And then, look how cute it is. Hopefully we can find a place to hang it up. I'm not singing about poop. Somebody just asked me if I was singing a song about poop. No, Emma, I'm not singing about poop, but my munchkins are awake. Wyatt woke up a couple of times, so we were out there cuddling on the couch. He's not that much of a big boy. Huh, Wyatt? Do we still cuddle sometimes when you let me?
Ow.
That drip nose. Yeah. I kid you not, neither one of my kids have ever had colds, which is like so weird because that's the norm.
Ow.
Yeah, but he is the first one that has ever had a cold. With a runny nose, he's just like rubbing snot everywhere. It's really disgusting. Not gonna lie, it's yucky. It's really yucky. I am actually, there's all the boogies. Yuck. I just can't keep up with them. Anyways, I am trying to clean up the house because I know we're gonna be bringing like a bunch of stuff home tomorrow. So I'm trying to get this place cleaned up just a little bit at least. Huh. So you can make it messy again. You wanna go outside? You can go play outside. Let's go. I'm gonna go play out on the patio. It's bright out there though, buddy. It's hot too. Whew. It's toasty out here. Wow. Doesn't look like it would be hot, but holy moly. And it's super bright. Yeah, I'm not gonna stay out here. Alright, I got my peepers on you, buddy. I'm not even gonna show out there because it's just so gross. It needs to be swept and all sorts of nonsense. Everything needs to be cleaned in this house. Oh my gosh. You already took a bath. No, you didn't? I saw that little head shake. Give him a toy or something, monkey. I guess what he's trying to get is a toy. Wyatt?
Oh.
You're not getting back in there. There, look at that. Wyatt. Look who's home. Getting beat up.
By the birthday boy. Happy birthday, buddy.
Daddy.
What? Huh?
Are you trying to play with Dad, monkey? Hey, Emma. What about yeehaw? You're gonna slide across it. Oh, wow, buddy.
Ow, my leg! Hold on, let go.
Is it your turn, Wyatt? You want a yeehaw? Oh.
Hold on. That needs a break. You're too good at yeehaw.
Matthew just got home and he wanted to go get toys for the kids.
Mom.
What?
Only my ashes.
So I have a really bad headache.
Yeah.
Stuffy
Oh,
nose, and I've been
eat
sneezing
them.
here and there. Not a lot, but like maybe.
It's lost if Mom can't find them. But anyways, he suggested we go to the store, so we're gonna go to Walmart and go to the toy section.
Mommy, I know.
Yep. And we'll get her a toy since she's feeling a little left out. Her brother got some toys this morning. But anyways, get you back at Walmart.
Are the hiccups gone?
My baby? Yeah. Daddy's not scaring your hiccups away?
Wyatt. 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 Wyatt.
Emma, what'd you get?
And you're getting a candy.
And?
What kind of candy do you want?
And?
Chocolate or like Skittles? What bag of Skittles?
Oh!
An old one.
You're welcome, babe.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. Do you
What
see
are
this?
these?
It's all pink. It's all strawberry.
It's awesome.
And we're back home.
Back home.
Back home. We were able to get like the waters and the sodas. Oh, we forgot the Capri Suns. Oh well. Kids, you're drinking Sprite and water. We're back home, getting ready to put the kids to bed. And then I'm gonna go to bed because I'm tired and got a long day tomorrow. Birthday party! Birthday party! 10.
Amy, auto. No, Amy, auto.
But anyways, oh, careful, bud. Gonna end the vlog here tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Say bye-bye. Say bye. Wave bye. Good job.
Good job, handsome.
Ah.